Hi, today we're going to be taking down unboxing and review it at Gaming Central U. I guess it's YOUSE 2-pack for Xbox One controller skins. This is the green one. They had a couple different ones. They had a black set, kind of like a glacier, somewhat translucent queerish white set, and then they had the green ones and Xbox the greenettes. So one was this. Like it says, ultra fitted protection protects from damage due to drops, spills, dust, and scratches. Maximum grip provides excellent grip and protection to enhance the game experience. Precision counts. Remove and removable and durable with easy access to all buttons, controllers, and ports. Easy to clean, water resistant. Construction, remove, clean, and dry. So $5 below, $5 for two of these skins, because you get two in there. So let's go ahead and open it up and skin our Xbox controllers. So here's what they look like. You do see that they do have like a little tester grip design on there. I guess they'll work with the original Xbox controller, or if you go with newer ones, they have like the little headphone jack on there. Now these do stink. They do have like a smell to them, and not a pleasant smell too, like yucky, icky smell. So yeah, there's that side done. I'd probably say go ahead and flip that on over there, like this. Then kind of pull and stretch that like that. And that's how it would look. So essentially, you could just give your original Xbox controller a little bit of a facelift. Still have access to the buttons. Controllers still free range. It's not binding up on the skin, because usually there is some that, oh yeah, you have access to the buttons and stuff, but when it comes to the analog sticks, nah, they bind up. And this one, oh, everything is good. Something doesn't look like they line up properly, like that little sync button, but I mean, come on, how many times are you going to use the sync button? The connection port for the firmware updates, you still got that accessible. All this is accessible. Can you pop on this with this? You can, but it's gonna be a semi-fishing hold. Can't we say tight or loose? I recommend if you want to put this on there, just take the skin off. Because, yeah, you should hear a little snap quick. And we don't, because the skin on there. So, if you're always wondering, can you use your check keyboard? Or whatever the heck they're calling this keyboard. With the skin on there? Nope. But, yeah. That's how it would look. Which, it's not that bad. I mean, it feels really comfortable and grippy. Kind of right where you need it. When you're holding it like this. Because usually the Xbox ones, it's just this thin little bar right here on the side. And this is giving you, as you can see, more all around the bottom versus just that little tester grip on the side there. So yeah, if you want to get yourself a pair of these, which they're pretty good, find them below. That's what I got mine at for $5. So yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.